So a little break from the camper build. We decided to head out to Montreal. My wife's going to see a show, Les Miserables, in this downtown Montreal. So I'm just hanging out, walking around, checking things out, and then I'll get back to the build later on.
I watched the end of it. I never got to the very end, because I don't know, something happened and whatever. I just never got to the very end. Oh my God, I'm crying so much. 60 ans, était vieux. Jesus Christ, j'en ai vu des Broadway, mais ça c'était notre préféré. Je pense que c'est jamais revenu. C'était quelque chose qui était très très cher. Des pièces très loin, si on voit rien, là on voit rien. C'était loin pour Jesus Christ Superstar Picture.
Never know what you're gonna find when you're walking around Montreal. I just came out while my wife and mother-in-law are at the Les Miserables musical, and I thought I'd just come check things out. You know, it's pretty good when people say they got the best. They are the best. They're number one at the Pigeon Cafe. You can honestly say they got the world's worst coffee. I hate coffee anyway, so it's probably the best. I don't know. Let's keep walking. Montreal's got the best tourist shops. The things you can get. All sorts of things. Places play poutine. Tabernacle, that's a good one. Moose Crossing, that's good for the moose camper. I'm gonna go in and take a look around. Let's go see what we can find. And they're not open. Oh well. So much for making money on a tourist on a Saturday. I'm not really a religious man, but I do respect old architecture and history. 1857. This was built in the middle of what was Montreal at the time. And, so another stop along my way down St. Catherine Street, Montreal. Through Montreal as a simple waiting tourist, and you come across an animation festival. All these people dressed up. So great, so much fun. Everybody coming together with one only have fun in mind. Everybody's having fun.
Take a picture like that? Yeah, sure. C'est bon de demander avant par contre, hein? You should ask before.
Oh, okay. Can I just walk in video?
Well,
okay, thanks. How much fun is this? Everybody's just having fun. Woohoo! Yep. How much fun is this? Well, it's been a hot day, and I've been working on the camper all day because we're going camping tomorrow. So I want to make it camp ready. It still needs some things done, but camp ready. But take a look. Here we go. Everything's painted. Got pots and pans. I got 2 hot plates. Prep area. These are the seats. I got a new mattress for them to sleep on. These are just going to be seats. Put a cargo net up top for all the stuff that's light stuff that we don't want falling down when we're driving. Another pegboard for all the cooking stuff. Knives and forks. I'm going with the tall mason jars up there and a higher bracket. It's just better. Thermometer, a light. In the fridge, I'm going black instead of that green. I'm just not done, needs more. This is a storage area. I also have storage under, coolers underneath. And hold on. She's gonna come and look. I have a home inspection. The client's coming to see. Okay. All right. Hey folks. We're going on our maiden run with our camper. Finley Dog's here. Say hi, Camper Finley Dog. Mom's just over at Walmart picking up a couple things, and we're heading out. A couple things I did notice. Once you put the full propane tank on the front, there's 2 propane tanks, but I only got 1 full one. And the new mattress in there is a bit heavy. It's a 10-inch, and you know, memory foam and all that stuff. It puts a little bit of weight on the front tongue end. I do have plenty of tongue weight, but the jack, leveling jack in the front, hits the speed bumps when we're going through the parking lot. It scrapes a little bit. So I may in the future move the propane to the back of the camper to even up that weight. And as well as we put a number of things inside on that storage bunk that will add to the weight that we might use along the way. A little broiler stove, toaster, coffee maker, the toolbox, things like that. But anyway, we're on our way, and we're gonna do a little 4-day stint and have some fun, and I'll get some video along the way. All right, see ya. Lily's camping again.
First thing you do when we get here.
Taking a dump. That's what she does. All right, we got here. I'm gonna time to see how long it takes to set this up compared to the mobile camping kitchen trailer I made and all the stuff and tent. It took me like 6-7 hours. All right, so are you ready? Here we go. Okay, well, we had a bit of a rain delay. I wanted to see how long it's going to take. We had a bit of rain delay, and then I had to make some supper. Some like pasta pesto with salad made on a little burner inside that I have. But it is pretty much set up. In the morning, I'll set up the sun umbrella, but the tent is set up. It's like a little living room for us, as I said earlier. Little place to sit and such. That's what we do here in Taylor Coachville. Hey y'all, you saw the tent from my other video when we went camping with the kitchen trailer. Now we're using it as just a little sit down spot because we have our camper right here. And so now this tent, it's got a nice little blow up couch. Got a table, if it's too sunny, get some shade, an outhouse, and we don't need to go into the camp toilet if we don't need to. You know, middle of the night, you don't want to be eaten by bears and shit. And all our coolers for the various food stuff, all categorized into drinks and breakfast and dry goods. And of course we got the fridge inside there with the cold meats and stuff. That's great. And I got a Coolertron, which I picked up for 23 bucks. And Finley is not supposed to bark. Good morning. It's early morning in the video. In the early morning. Not awake. It's early morning to make a video. Had our first night in the camper with Finley, the camping dog. Hey, Finley, the camping dog. Take a look on the inside. Finley, Finn, say hi to people. Say hi, people. Mommy's out in the other tent. Hey. Yeah, it's a good night. All right, Finn. All right, Finn, camping dog. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Bye. The only thing that Finley loves more than food is water, and being a camper dog with our pool. Camping is not camping without these little boxes. The variety pack. Right, Finn? Right. You know, I am not endorsed. I do not get money for it. I just love them. Everybody loves camping with mini boxes. Eating dessert in the camper. Danny's. Nice and beautiful, dipping chocolate fondue in fruit. Mine, I ain't got no time for dipping shit. Just want to eat and go. You know, when you're at the campsite and you run out of lighter, that's a problem. But that's why I always carry propane. One shot of propane.
Oh my God. We're all gonna die.
And we all gonna die.
Yeah, we are. Oh! Christ.
After supper campfire. In about an hour, we'll be ready for marshmallows. Let's do this in slow motion. When you're done marshmallows, the marshmallow stick always takes it in the end. You know, everybody complains about high fructose corn syrup, but marshmallows never make that list. If they do, you're evil. You deserve some sort of torment in the afterlife if you complain about marshmallows.